Hi everyone! How to get your new probability power calculator version 2.0 and your power volume indicator for institutional net buyer, net seller version 2.0 on your chart. Very simple. They are on your chart right now. That's what you see. If you still have the old versions, to make sure that you don't have the old versions, right click, remove all indicators. You have a blank chart. Save that here on the cloud. Just to see the cloud moving, boom. Now, easy, go to My Indicator, Invite Only, click one time to the Probability Power Volume Indicator for net buyer, net sellers, institutional, version 2.0 will show up, and then here, next, you go to the Probability Power Calculator, click once, and here you go, and then you can customize it. You can go into your gear, you don't want to see the short-term calculator, boom, you have it here, and now you can see the new probability power calculator. That's the one that has the edges. See, you have the edges continuation, and the new power volume indicator works for second charts, 15 second, 30 second, and the 1 minute chart, which it was not working before to have a refined definition. So hopefully this video helps. This is the way that you get your new version 2.0 on the tools.